for a cash promotion. Oh, yeah, bro. Do you have a pussycat in your house? Do you want to make some quick cash? Then you need to bring your pussycat to Aigbe Fast Foods today. Aigbe Fast Foods is proud to announce that we are buying pussycats of all shapes and sizes to use for our cat stews and soups. Business is booming and we have run. There are plenty cats in the Ghana, so catch a cat for a cash. Even if you don't personally have a cat, there are so many plenty aimless cats roaming about the Ghana, so you can also catch a cat for a cash. Just bring it to Aigbe Fast Foods and collect your sweet smelling money. Cats can be dangerous, but don't worry. If the cat scratches you or tears your clothes as you are catching it, Aigbe Fast Foods will pay for your hospital bills and buy you new clothes. You cannot miss this amazing opportunity to earn a big cash. Do you think your cat is tasty? Then take part in the Catch a Cat for a Cash promotion. This promotion is brought to you by Aigbe Fast Foods. Aigbe Fast Foods. How can we live without cat meat? Aigbe Fast Foods. If we don't know anything, we know how to kill a cat. Aigbe Fast Foods. Meow.